at this amusement park today. Found this one. Ice cream vending machine can be selected on screen. Various flavors, at most once. Buy 3 cups. Different taste. Cheese ice cream. Order completed. You can see the production process below. Wait 20 seconds. A cup of ice cream is made. At the bottom of the cup there is small spoon. Just take the first bite. Fragrant cheese flavor. The taste is absolutely unbeatable. Big bread ice cream. In addition, it can be matched with various ingredients. Now let us passers be how to choose. Children also like it very much. If you also want to invest this ice cream vending machine, then come and contact me.